Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a Facebook group. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. Firstly, open the Play Store and write here Facebook. And make sure that your Facebook should be updated. After that, open it and then click on three lines on top right. Here, scroll down the page and you will see group icon. Click on it and then click on plus options and you will see create group options. Click on it and then write here your group name. Then select the privacy. If you want that your group should be public, then click on public. If you want that your group should be private, then click on private. Then click on done options. Then click on create group. After that, you can invite friends to your group. Those friends which you want to invite, tap on it, then click on next. Here you can add cover photo on the group. After click on cover photo, then you can upload your photo. So after that, click on save options and then click on next. And here you can write description of your Facebook group. After writing description, then click on next. And here you can create a post, any post which you want to create. So post it. So create a post and click on done options. So when you will click on it will goes to your group. So it is the group which I have created. So in this way you can create group on the Facebook. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.